I am seeing other signs that people aren't worried about that we should be.
Like what?
Like, for example, a sign that I could not have imagined would come true in our lifetime.
What?
Right? This sign shocked me more than anything else, and people aren't even paying attention to it, which is the worship of Lat And Uzza in the Arabian Peninsula.
That's happening?
It's happening.
How?
There are people right now that are worshiping Lat And Uzza, very small minority, in the Arabian Peninsula. Look, when I read this, studying Islam, like the Arabian Peninsula becoming green, like that's something we're seeing, a sign of the Day of Judgment in front of our eyes that a generation ago could not have imagined, but I could imagine. Like I could imagine there being Christians and Jews growing, or atheism in the Arabian Peninsula. Like I could imagine, but who would worship Lat And Uzza? Like that was dead, it was finished. Like they're pieces of rock, like nobody even, there's no church for them, nothing, right? They don't, like, the Christians give a lot of money to convert people, the other guys, have banks and whatever, right? So there's ways people try to, whatever, atheists have like desires, like go do whatever you want, right? But who would worship Lat And Uzza? Like they didn't even,